Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Just got out of the shower and today is another late video for Sunday. I apologize. Today's beautiful brush is this Trotter's Handcraft brush. I'm going to be using Shave Chaser shave stick. I bought this, I don't know, was it last year or the year before? I can't remember now. And that was one of those things that I just had to have it, and I've never used it. You can still see the top. That's why I'm not lathering up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. Now the scent on this, I would love to get one of these old bottles like this. But it is the Skin Bracer scent. And out of all the box store aftershave scents, I think this one's my favorite. And I do have an older bottle like this, but it's not quite the same as the long rectangular bottle. So there's that. Let me just spray a little bit of water on my face here. And let's try this shave stick out. I have a couple days worth of growth. Dip that in the water a little bit. I got a bowl full of hot water here that I rinse my razor in. And the reason I'm doing this today is because here lately I've been getting in this shave stick mood for some reason. Can't really tell you exactly why, because I do enjoy bowl lathering. And no matter how you do it, you're still going to have stuff to clean up. One less item is not really that much of a deal breaker for me. Probably going to add a little bit more water here. I usually don't use that mister a whole lot. Looks pretty decent. Good enough to shave with. It's not as fluffy and, you know, as like a bowl lather, but it will get the job done. I'm curious to see with these Trotter brushes, since they're such high density, you know, some people say that they eat the lather. I wouldn't say they eat the lather. I would say they probably hold the lather a little bit more than brushes that have less bristles. And so it can be a little bit more challenging to get all of the lather out of the bristle. And today's razor is this beautiful copper carbon razor. Oh, look at it. It's doing pretty good as far as not getting any patina on it or anything like that. And this may be a challenge for this setup. I'm using the Gillette super thin blade. It is mowing it down, but it's not nearly as close as I like. We are doing reduction and not total elimination. So with the second pass, I'm sure it'll do nice. Probably do a little cleanup with it, but I'm not gonna push it. So last night, there I was. Now, we had a friend that had a 50th birthday party. Actually, 3 people. But it's kind of a fun thing. We ended up staying out later than I wanted to. So I had to kind of fully wake up and get back and motivated. I'm one of those people that when I first get up, I'm a little bit of a bear. And it's just one of those things where I just need a little bit of time to, you know, get going. I'm not ready for a big conversation right off in the morning. And it's probably where drinking coffee might help me out, but I just need that, you know, a little bit of time. So the shave stick worked pretty nice. I can't complain. My face is a little bit dry, so let me throw another spritz on there. Oh yeah, no problem there. Probably could get 2 more lathers out of that, to be honest. Maybe even more. You guys remember that video I did a long time ago? And I tried to say, like, in the video, how many shaves or lathers could you get, or how many passes on a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And I watched that video the other day, and I was so, I didn't have things organized. And I didn't really know what I was going to talk about. So I was like all over the place. And I was probably nervous because I was thinking about stuff and I knew people were watching, but they weren't watching yet, you know. So I've been slowly still kind of going through my shave soaps and stuff, and you know, in my mind, I want to get down to a certain number, and I know that's really not achievable, but I want to try to get down to just some of my favorite scents, and man, that's really, really difficult to do, because you'll get a soap out and smell it, and you're like, oh, I remember this, and then you're like, I think I'll keep this one. On the next one, I'll get rid of the next one, and then you just keep doing the same thing, and next thing you know, you've got the same amount of soaps sitting on your shelf. I think I had said in the past, that little cabinet that I built was originally for like my 5 razors and the 5 or 6 soap combos I had. And it just exploded. All right, let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Yeah, the old shave stick did nice. And I just want to take a little scent whiff, and I'm going to kind of compare this. I know that the soap can kind of alter the scent a little bit. I really think the Shave Chaser is a little nicer than the Skin Bracer, to be honest, but you know how that goes. It's amazing how that stuff is green, and then you put it on your face and all that, and you would think you would see green, but nothing there. I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Star Jelly. I'm going to put a little picture right here of everything I used. That's going to be my shave for the day. I think I might do a little test here and just see how much is really left in this brush. There's a little bit of water in that brush still. Here's what we got. Just see what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Quite a bit left in there, to be honest. All right, well, that's the shave for the day. I'm glad you guys stuck around to check out my video for the day. I'll see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.